you're here. If you're new, my name is Rachel from the blog stonecottagehome.com, and today we have a special treat for you. I'm so excited. This is our very first home tour. We've decorated everything for the beautiful fall season. It's all ready inside, the fire is lit, it's all warm and cozy, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I have pulled together fall decor from past seasons and sprinkled in a few new goodies from the thrift shop to create a warm, inviting space to celebrate this glorious fall season with family and friends. I hope you enjoy. Come on in.
As you enter our kitchen, the first thing you see is this beautiful vignette on the bar. From the color palette to the decor style, this arrangement sets the tone for the rest of the house. The velvet pumpkins add depth to the arrangement as well as glorious, rich color. There is a tutorial for these on the blog. As we move into the dining room, the antique hutch is the focal point. It is brimful of fall colors, wonderful textures, and little touches of the quaint English cottage style that we love. When decorating for fall, keep in mind the four senses. You want your house to look like fall, to smell like it, to feel like it, and even to taste like it. With this in mind, I use the candles to give that look, feeling, and scent of fall. One lovely fall day, Matt and I went for a walk and gathered these pine cones to combine with the cotton picks to add in natural texture. Many of the decor items throughout this fall home tour were discovered at the thrift store. Some have been treasures I've used over the last several years, and others were recent discoveries. Of all the areas decorated for fall in our home this year, the hutch is our favorite. I would say it represents our English cottage style better than anything else. On our table this year, we have a brand new centerpiece. Well, it's brand new to us. I thrifted it just a few weeks ago. Stay tuned for our Thanksgiving tablescape video coming soon, where we will assemble the centerpiece together and then proceed to set the entire table for an elegant English country tablescape perfect for Thanksgiving. For those of you that are curious as to which fall decor items were thrifted this year, I will round them up after the tour and we will talk about what to buy, why you would buy it, and most importantly, how you can use it in your own home decor. Let me encourage you to take time to enjoy this glorious fall season and invite others to do the same. Gather some interesting coffee table books with delicious pictures, a cozy blanket, your favorite cup of hot cocoa, and soon you will be enjoying a fall evening with a crackling fire. And now, let's talk thrifted home decor. Artwork is one of the best, most distinct ways to personalize your space. It will express your personal style, and it can inspire the color palette and tone for an entire room. Keep your eye out for neutral decor items. These vintage brass candlesticks are perfect for use year-round. Some thrifted items work better in pairs. For example, bedside table lamps, artwork, and dishes, such as these gravy boats for table settings. If you spotted something you love at the thrift store, be sure to check around. You might just find the twin. Look for versatile home decor items. Just imagine this cast iron candelabra with ivory tapers and simple eucalyptus woven through. Very French country. Sprinkle natural elements throughout. Wooden bowls, baskets, greenery, and picks will infuse a sense of freshness and life into your decor style. In the last 3 years, I have collected these thrifted home decor items for $90. That's $30 a year. Imagine your styles, your colors. You can do this too.
I hope you picked up some good tips and ideas for going to the thrift store and for creating that look that you want, no matter what your style is, on a budget. So sometimes I go in with very specific items on my list, and other times basic items. I do try to get things that are timeless and classic that I can use across the seasons. I did have this one item on my list for probably about a year. I had seen a picture of it on Pinterest and just loved it. It had a very charming English vibe to it, which I love to add to our home. So I got some birthday money last year and I was at the antique mall, so this was not thrifted, but look what I found. Isn't he cute? We call him Charlie. He is an Airedale Terrier, and he proudly sits on our bookcase and just looks so quintessentially English. I have noticed several of these in different styles here and there. I've looked at some on Etsy. They're usually very expensive unless they're within my price range or I have gift money. Then I just keep looking. And so, oddly enough, just that next week I was at the thrift store, and what did I find but this guy? A playful little schnauzer. He is just the perfect companion, and the two of them look just wonderful on the bookcase or whatever vignette I'm creating. I hope that you have found some wonderful inspiration and and just really encouragement that you can create the home that you have in your mind, and be patient with it. It's okay to gather it over time, to put it in the budget. I hope you found some inspiration and motivation to put that little bit of extra effort into your holiday decor, but also to have the mindset of creating an atmosphere in your home that is warm and welcoming, and that just gives that feeling of coziness where people just really want to be there and they feel happy and safe and loved. Thank you for visiting us and watching our first home tour. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to click the subscribe button so you will not miss any videos. And until our next visit, take care.